So when we work, when we do our strokes and we don't overlap enough, let's say the first strokes look so good and you get so excited, and then you just move forward too much, and then you jump forward. As you see, this creates little disconnections in between strokes, and then that ends up looking like little gaps. So again, overlapping is one of the very important parts of shading when we overlap. At least about 50%. As you see, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So then the color is going to be very consistent in the skin, and it's gonna end up looking very even once healed. Here you go.